Welcome back.
But, what is?
Well, welcome back.
Huh?
It's your first fucking rally for about 10 years. Jars is back. Had a little young one, Max, and she's taller than him already, so...
Just use it. $40.
Finished the day pretty comfortably in first. One of the big contenders seemed to have some mechanical issue early in the day, so we pretty well just could relax and do what we want, which worked well for us. We had a few car issues ourselves, but all sorted now and ready for day two.
Yeah, Pinocchio sort of built a show car instead of a race car by the look of it. It's that bloody nice, so I don't think he's going to be too much of a threat. But on a serious note too, lost me dad about a month ago. Big battle with cancer. The last thing he said to me, actually, he called me a shit driver, and the next morning he passed away. Everyone knows I take the piss, obviously. You can see where it comes from. Well, that was his very, very last words, with a big bloody smile on his head. And trying to do him proud this weekend, so thinking of you, Dad.
So still all to play for tomorrow?
Well, yes it is. Look, that's classics. So I think it was stage 7 today. Jarrod sort of...
We had 5 today, to be honest with you, Mick.
Outright, whatever it is. Edit this bit.
No.
It's classic rally, so anything can happen. We're in a comfortable position per se, but we've been in this position before. Tassie, you were there, Colin. It was edited, lovely. Stay out of the trees, next morning we'll straighten the trees. Bang, can happen like that. So it plays mind games a little bit where you're trying to hold your lead and then you're worrying about the car and all these things come into play. We worried about the car all day. We had a bit of a shit of a day. As soon as we got those issues out of our head, we actually went fast and had a ball.
The lady over there, she's an original Holden Marlborough dealer team girl. So she used to sit on the bonnet of a car like Mick's, but a really nice one.
That is a nice one. That's a fast one. At least it's not a Porsche.
Yeah, well, it could be a Porsche.
Who drive a Porsche?
Me.
Only wankers drive Porsches.
Me. And I'm still shaking.
Only beat us by a couple of seconds each stage. Imagine having a $600,000 Porsche and you're getting tailed up nearly by a
couple of seconds, Mick.
40-year-old
Couple seconds. How many seconds, Mick?
Just a couple each stage. We haven't been trying.
How many? Oh, is it like 2 minutes?
We haven't been trying. Fuck off, mate.
been almost the perfect Targa Great Barrier Reef for you.
That has been perfect. Mick hasn't been here all weekend, so it's been fantastic.
Jarrod, how fantastic has he been?
No, he's been unreal. In the past, we've had an issue with holding him back. We seem to have good position cemented, and then we'll throw it away pretty late in the piece. But this week, I don't know why. What happened?
I don't know.
Together.
Yeah, sick of crashing, I think.
Costing you too much money.
Yeah, it costs a lot of money and it costs a lot of ego. So
It is remarkably straight, isn't it? We hadn't stopped to think about that too much, actually.
yeah, what am I going to do with me fucking
Nearly wasn't, I will admit. late in the day, too. Second stage left, 2.5 minutes in front, and we nearly put it into the bank there a couple of times. So
Wardy come up on us in a what was that? Second last stage.
Yeah.
Wardy come up on us in a RTZ, and he was sitting next to us. And we both had the bird out the window. I thought, I'll let him go because he's still racing Stokely. And then, Giles yelled out, "Don't try and fucking tag onto him." No, I'm not, mate. It's all good. But yeah, I was, and we were sideways, and then here's the fuckwit now. But yeah, no, blast. Winners and grinners. Big shout out to Anthony and Scott. Anthony Ginocchio and Scotty Hamilton. Well done, lads. Number two in the show car Commodore instead of the race car Commodore.
I'm in that.
The number two navigator out of these two guys.
Well, the cars look like the people. A bit prettier, a bit uglier.
Like 1-2 with a couple of fucking really good mates. Like, we're all mates, we all bag each other on Facebook and everywhere else, all the social media. And to come 1-2 with these guys, like, fuck, you can't ask for anything better. So, Targa GBR.